8 ways to earn extra money from home. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 8 ways you can get started to earn extra money from the comfort of your home. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so you're looking for a way to get started to earn some extra money from the comfort of your home, and that's exactly what I wanted to share with you here today. Really super easy and fast ways to get started to make some extra money online from the comfort of your home there. Now, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information on the 8 ways I'm gonna share with you here today. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I have my #1 recommendation right here below, and I suggest you to have a look at it after I finish the video here, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can get started to earn some extra money online from the comfort of our home. Let's get started. Okay, opportunity number 1. You could actually sell your photos that you're taking from your smartphone, and there is a few sites there. The first one that I came up with here is actually Fope, so you can go to fope.com and you can see here for creators, this is the section. You see that they do have an app available both for App Store and Google Play. Time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So you can actually have even videos here. Now, how does it work? You simply upload your videos and photos and you earn money. So when a brand, an agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding, they want to purchase a video or a picture from your portfolio there, and they share the profit 50-50 with you. So what is also cool is that if you have a popular photo, for example, there might be a few companies, so you can make even more money on just one picture. So the more you upload, the more chance you have to make money here. There is a few other sites here, but I think this is a good and great way to get started, so I'm not going to go into details with other sites here on this video. I have shared actually how you can make money by taking pictures in some other videos, so just search around here on my channel and you'll find that. Alright, let's move on to the next way. The next opportunity we can do is to actually take up on some micro tasks. Micro tasks could be as simple as voting for a YouTube video, as you can see here on rapidworkers.com. Follow someone on Twitter, you make 12 cents. Create a Gmail account, 13 cents. Online game. So it's not much, but you can do this kind of task real quick. So I mean, you can end up by doing, let's say for example, 10-15 tasks like this in 1 hour there. So there is actually a few dollars you can make online, but we are looking for earning extra income online here. So I think this is a great opportunity to do it. Another site you can go to is Amazon's MTurk.com. And MTurk actually has more opportunities than just micro tasks. You can see here micro tasks. So basically we are going to the next one, the next opportunity, and that is actually to apply for taking up on some kind of a data entry. Let's go to the section where it says learn more. So this is the MTurk. You can see here you do, for example, tagging objects, helping companies. There is tons of ways you can make money here on MTurk. And also another very popular site with data entry jobs that you can apply for is clickworker.com. You go to the section where it says you earn money as a click worker. So you can see here they're always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, search and categorize data for us. So a lot of data entry jobs there. You can see here below text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, history visit, app testing, and photo capturing. So a lot of ways you can make money here, totally free to sign up for. I suggest you to go to clickworker.com and have a closer look at this. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become some kind of a tutor. It all depends on your expertise. Let's say, for example, that you are good at English. You can go to a site like VIPKidTeachers.com and you can earn up to $22 per hour. Another site that I shared in the past is actually Chegg.com. There is more tutors here. You can see tutors. So this is a great way also to earn extra income, earn extra money from your home, okay? And you can have a look at it. As I said, you can see here algebra. It totally depends on your skills there. So if your expertise is math, for example, you want to go to a site where they offer math tutoring, okay? So just do what your expertise are plus tutoring, and you'll find the site that you can go and sign up for. Alright, let's move on to something else here. You can do graphic design if you're good at that. There is a site called 99designs.com, and if you go to the section where it says designers, you can see here you design, we handle the rest here. So do what you love, get paid for it on 99designs.com. This is a great site actually, where a lot of designers apply for here. So go ahead, get started. I'm going to share with you another site here real soon also that you can sign up for. You can actually go to a freelance site and apply as a graphic designer, but we save that for real soon here because it is another way to earn extra money from home there. Before that, let's go and have a look at another opportunity, which is transcribing. Transcription jobs is very popular, super easy to do. All you need is a good pair of headphones, a foot pedal if you want to, but it's not necessary, and you will start to type what you hear in the video there. So one site that you can go to is Scribie.com. You can see here you can earn from $5 to $25 per audio hour, and you can have a look at the details here for yourself actually. Another very popular site where you can do transcription, but you can actually do more, is Revcom. So if you go to the freelance sections here, you can see that a transcriptionist, you will get paid 36 to 65 cents per audio video minute. But you can also apply for being a captioner here, so you make a bit more. You can make up to 75 cents per audio minute, and if you are good at another language, they might want you to actually translate the subtitles, and there is where you can earn anywhere from $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute here. So have a look at it, rev.com, very popular site. And let's move on to the next opportunity. Actually, it is to become any kind of a freelancer. It totally depends on your skills here. I would apply, for example, for video editing, audio editing, been doing that for many years, produced with my team together well over 20,000 radio commercials. So I would go for applying for audio video editing here, for example. But as I said, you can also apply for data entry and so on. There is more freelance sites. One of the most popular is Fiverr. So by giving you a quick idea here, let's go for data entry, which is very easy. You can see here, I will do virtual assistant data entry web research. It starts at $9.53. This is euros. It is approximately around $10 US actually. So it totally depends on how big the job is. So it's not only this amount, because they do have some upsells. The more you want to do, they do have a few gigs. Look at this, for example. If you want to do some advanced tasks, they will actually charge you like 23 euros. This should be around 28 US dollars here actually. So totally depends on your skills and how complicated the job is there. So any kind of a freelancer, as I said, you can go to more sites. There is a freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, and many more. So a good tip would be actually to sign up to a few of those sites, so you don't just sit and wait for one site to send you some job there. And of course you need to promote it as well. Alright, let's move on to the final one, and that is to actually become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways that you can get started to make money online, and it is one of the favorite methods also, one of my favorite methods too actually, because there are a lot of benefits here with affiliate marketing. You don't need to create any products, no matter if it is a digital product, a hardware. You don't need to create the camera, for example, that we see here, or you don't need to create that digital product. So all you have to do is promote it. You just grab a link, and when someone purchases through your link there, you will earn a commission. So that is really super simple. Now of course there is tons of ways to promote your affiliate offers. I'm just going to give you a quick idea here. So Amazon, I did recently a video, you can have a look at that also, on how you can get started with Amazon's affiliate marketing. You'll find a link here somewhere, or just do a search, because I share exactly how you can find offers here. But the cool thing with Amazon is that they do have millions of products to promote. They also have a 24-hour cookie, which means that if someone clicks and watches this camera for example, and they don't purchase, but they purchase something else, you will make a commission of that too. The commissions average anywhere from 3-4%, can be up to 10%, but I think the average is around 4% here actually. So that is super nice. I actually I'm amazed to these days, because when I first started out I didn't know about the cookie there, and I saw that I got commissions for products that I never promoted, so it was really nice to see that. So by just giving you a quick idea here, let's say for example this camera that you saw earlier here, you can do a video, okay? You can do a review video here. You don't have to be on the camera. You can just show a few pictures, talk about it, the benefits, or if you used it, it is even better. And you can see here that this is an affiliate link guaranteed. So it is on top of the description, and you can clearly see that there is 374,000 views. So just do the maths here. Let's say only 1% goes there and purchase something. This user has definitely made some cool money with this one. And you can, the longer actually the keyword is here, the easier it will be to rank for it. And people are searching for this. I mean, there is people who search for specifically, they want to know about this camera, the good and the bad things, so make sure you cover that in a good review video there. And you can actually upload 2 or 3 videos with some different angles there, so you can make even better rankings for the videos there. And of course make sure you have your link in the description. Let me just give you a quick idea here on how it looks. So this is the video.
Actually, overpaid, I think, a little bit.
So this is an unboxing video, okay? But you can see here on the top there is this one. So if I click that, I will be redirected to Amazon.co.uk. But just as I said earlier here, have a look at my video about how to start. I'll explain everything on how you can make commissions from Amazon.co.uk, Canada, Germany, Japan, and so on. There is something called the one link solution there. Alright, that is 8 ways to earn extra money from the comfort of your home. Now, many of these are definitely a great way to get started with, but if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.